This is a little update on the Evolution saw that I did a demo on the other day. I just wanted to show you a couple of things. Somebody asked if the blade was square. Yes, it's lovely. Secondly, changed out this quick release that was on the old DeWalt. So now it works great. So I got rid of this and fitted this quick release so that if you want to put anything big in and you want to do it fast, there you go. That's what it needed. Now I just packed it up with washers for now until I was happy with the height, and one of these days, probably never, I'll make a block to go under there. But at the moment, some screws in there, some longer bolts, and it worked fine. Ironically, exactly the same bolt centres. So there's the handy thing. So don't throw out your old DeWalt yet. There's plenty of bits and pieces on it that we can use. Alright, so I hope you like that. That was just a quick update, and already before we get to use it, we're modifying it. We'll see you later in the next video. Bye!